Strother. I am a bartender at downtown Eddie V's in Austin, Texas, and my drink is called the Tom Scambilis. It is a riff on the Tom Collins. The reason I called it the Tom Scambilis is because that is the name of one of my favorite regulars, who's become one of my really great friends. If you know Austin industry, you know Tom and Kim. They go basically everywhere downtown. They'll stop at about 5 or 6 different restaurants, take care of everyone, basically every day of the week. But he is a very proud Greek Austinite, brings baklava into basically all the staff anytime he bakes it, and this is kind of my tribute to him and his wife. I made it with 2 ounces of Empress Indigo Original Gin, which is basically the backbone of this drink. The reason that it's so important to the drink is because with a different gin, it would either disappear under the nuttiness and richness of the orgeat that I made, or it would overpower it with a little bit too much juniper. Luckily, Empress has really good Mediterranean notes, coriander, rose, grapefruit, which kind of echo the notes in my drink. I used Empress, a homemade pistachio orgeat syrup, a little bit of olive brine, just a spoonful to make it a little bit more savory, and then Meyer lemon rather than regular lemon juice to make it a little bit more floral and cut the acidity just a little bit. I got to learn a lot when I was researching this drink and the botanicals of Empress versus the notes that baklava brings to the table. And I got to actually talk to Tom about how he makes his baklava, and a good through line that I found was orange blossom water is very popular in orgeat syrup. It's also very prevalent in baklava itself. So I thought that was really neat, and I wanted to kind of thread that through the drink. And I also made a filo twist. I baked it myself. I don't really bake at all, so it was a very intense task for me, but I think they came out really well. A lot of trial and error, but basically I used a little twist to be a stir stick of sorts. So I actually put baklava in the drink as well. So.